momia, nosotros seguimos realizando excavaciones bastante.
So we are very glad to have found that.
Oh, wow.
In 1927, during advanced excavations of the ancient Mesopotamian city of Ur in southeast Iraq, British archaeologist Leonard Woolley discovered the remains of Queen Pabi. Reports mention an unusual large skull, akin to those found in some Egyptian pharaohs and Peruvian mummies. For ancient astronaut theorists, this skull hints at mankind's potential extraterrestrial origins. This video is going on a journey to all unanswered questions that might shock you. Without further delay, let's dig in. The description of the Queen. The description of Queen Pabi was strikingly unusual due to her unusually large head, leading to speculation about her being more than a typical human, possibly a hybrid. Current efforts aim to conduct genetic analysis on the bones, exploring features that hint at Anunnaki genes. This has sparked speculation that she might be one of the original Anunnaki, or at the very least, an extraterrestrial human hybrid, adding a layer of intrigue to the understanding of her ancient remains. Interesting thing, Queen Pabi's significance lies in her association with the First Dynasty, placing her in close proximity to the purported reign of the Anunnaki. This unique position raises the possibility that she could hold the key to unraveling whether the ancient Anunnaki were physically real. The presence of unusual skulls in Mesopotamia and beyond has fueled speculation about the Anunnaki's influence on Earth. If these anomalies are indeed evidence of the Anunnaki's presence, it lends credibility to the legends describing their descent from the sky. Moreover, it prompts a broader examination of similar beings mentioned in ancient texts worldwide, suggesting a potential common thread in ancient narratives that transcend cultural and geographical boundaries. Queen Pabi's historical context, as a figure from the dawn of dynasties, places her at the intersection of archaeological discovery and the exploration of extraterrestrial possibilities in human history. Ancient stories. Exploring ancient history reveals strikingly similar narratives across cultures, featuring all-powerful magical entities descending from above. The Anunnaki, fitting into the archetype, share a common thread seen in myths worldwide. Extraterrestrial beings shaped human existence. The global consistency in stories about life originating from the stars prompts a compelling question. Are various extraterrestrial races influence diverse cultures independently? Or is it conceivable that a single race, the Anunnaki, played a universal role in shaping these narratives? The shared motifs of otherworldly beings influencing humanity suggest a potential interconnectedness, raising the intriguing possibility that the Anunnaki may represent a unifying thread in the rich tapestry of global mythology, shaping the collective imagination of ancient civilizations. Exploring this possibility adds depth to the study of ancient cultures and challenges us to consider the roots of shared human experiences across the vast canvas of history. Mesopotamia, meaning between rivers in Greek, is nestled between the Tigris and Euphrates rivers, now known as Iraq. The region witnessed the rise of four major kingdoms, Sumer, the oldest, followed by the kingdom of Akkad, under Sargon of Akkad. Subsequently, Babylonia and Assyria emerged, each contributing to the rich cultural tapestry that endured throughout Mesopotamia's existence, despite linguistic and demographic shifts. Southern Mesopotamia, specifically ancient Sumer, is often hailed as the earliest civilization, dating back to approximately 3000 to 4000 BC. Here, the invention of cuneiform writing on clay and stone tablets marked a monumental leap in human communication. The Samaritans were pioneers of the cuneiform writing system. Deciphering these ancient tablets posed a formidable challenge until a pivotal discovery in March 1843. Thousands of tablets found at an Assyrian palace, unlocking the secrets of Mesopotamia's written legacy. This crucial find offered profound insights into the language, culture, and societal structures of one of the world's earliest civilizations. New discoveries. The newfound abundance of copper inscriptions offer tangible proof of an ancient kingdom, long believed to have existed thousands of years ago. The monumental underground chamber, discovered by French scientist Paul-Émile Botta in northern Iraq, housed statues depicting gods and kings. Within a decade, archaeologists uncovered the ruins of the legendary capital city Ur, revealing the Great Ziggurat of Ur, a step pyramid administrative center adorned with cuneiform tablets and gold-adorned tombs. Exploring the ancient Sumerian civilizations, we attribute to them over 100 foundational elements for a modern society, from agriculture, science, medicine, and mathematics, to kingship, laws, courts, judges, and schools. The Sumerians, emerging 6,000 years ago from the Stone Age, laid the groundwork for essential aspects of contemporary civilization. Mainstream researchers suggest that Ural fell to its warring neighbors, the Elamites, around 2000 BC. However, some scholars find more than evidence of an ancient civilization in cuneiform texts. They emphasize descriptions of the Anunnaki, divine beings and princely offspring of God, as narrated by the Sumerians, who purportedly descended from the sky. The religious system. The religious landscape of Mesopotamia embraced polytheism, where worship extended to hundreds of gods, both male and female, often portrayed in human form with distinct personalities akin to people. These deities formed a hierarchical structure mirroring Mesopotamia's political systems. In Sumerian texts, the Anunnaki held the supreme position among the heavenly gods. These entities, surrounded in mystery, are described as humanoid but not physical spirit beings with the ability to morph into human form. According to Sumerian narratives, they descended to Earth on a specific mission, bringing wisdom and engaging in material extraction. Posing comprehensive knowledge of sciences and arts, the origin and the source of their wisdom remain an enigma for archaeologists, adding to the intrigue surrounding the Anunnaki's role in the ancient Mesopotamian culture. Gale Crater Mars. On August 6, 2012, the Curiosity rover touched down on the Martian surface with a mission to assess the planet's suitability for human exploration. Weighing 1 ton, the rover aimed to discover signs of surface water, a critical element for sustaining life. The hypothesis is that Mars, at some point in its history, resembled Earth enough for life to potentially evolve. The key questions surrounding Mars revolve around its historical events. When did it begin losing its atmosphere? At what point was it unable to sustain life? And how far did life progress, if at all? By studying Mars, we can gain insights into the successful processes on Earth and pinpoint where Mars diverged. However, some ancient astronaut theorists, notably influenced by Zecharia Sitchin's theories, propose a more intriguing possibility. Sitchin theorized that the Anunnaki, mysterious beings, originate from Nibiru, a planet in our solar system. According to this perspective, Mars serves as a way station for the Anunnaki, facilitating their journey from Nibiru to Mars, and eventually to Earth. If this hypothesis holds, traces of an Anunnaki civilization might be uncovered on Mars through the Curiosity mission. While this speculation is speculative and lacks scientific consensus, it adds a layer of mystery to the exploration of Mars, sparking curiosity between the potential connections between extraterrestrial beings and the planets in our solar system. The prospect of discovering colossal constructions. The prospect of discovering colossal constructions on Mars, akin to those on Earth, sparks anticipation among theorists who speculate on the existence of an extraterrestrial presence. If such findings were to materialize, it could prompt global awareness of a potential Anunnaki ancestry for humanity. According to Zecharia Sitchin, an author and researcher of Sumerian texts, the Anunnaki's home planet Nibiru follows an elliptical path, intersecting with Earth's orbit approximately every 3,450 years. The projected next visit is anticipated around the year 2900. In Sitchin's book, The End of Days, he delves into prophecies related to Anunnaki's return. The narrative suggests a mixed reaction from these beings upon witnessing humanity's development. Many express excitement and happiness, while others might harbor concerns that we've exceeded acceptable limits. The Anunnaki, in this speculative scenario, could pass judgment on humanity, and the outcome might be favorable or adverse. Drawing parallels with ancient Egyptian beliefs in the Duat, a crossing between worlds, Nibiru represents a similar concept in Sumerian lore. It is portrayed as a reality existing in both our space and another dimension. The convergence of these beliefs and speculations raises profound questions about potential connections between extraterrestrial beings, celestial events, and the destiny of humanity. The Duat acts as a bridge, allowing humans to transition from earthly life to the realm of the gods. Historical encounters with the Anunnaki consistently lead to a common outcome: the acceleration of human evolution. If a mass return of the Anunnaki occurs, history suggests a resurgence of new technology, wisdom, and ideas being infused into human consciousness. That's all for today. Make sure to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for all future updates. See you next time.